Okay, decided to start up another project here on the bench, and I'm going to be working in Star Wars again, this time with some more of Bandai's 1/12 scale figure kits. In this particular case, we're going to be working with the Rogue One Shoretrooper and the Han Solo Stormtrooper version. Now, my plan, of course, the biggest difference between the Stormtrooper kit and the Han Solo one lies in the fact you get the parts for Han Solo's head. Now, while I will be using Han's head, I'm going to be running, as is my usual wont, a slightly different tack, and I'm going to run kind of a what if and have Han wearing the Shoretrooper armor. Who knows, maybe in some alternate reality he actually stayed in the Imperial Army and made something of himself. The Stormtrooper will be built stock, and we'll go from there. Should be fairly quick build. Alright, as you can see, I've got the 3 heads complete. You've got the bare Han Solo head, which, as you can see, does bear a nice resemblance to Mr. Harrison Ford way back in 1977. I like the fact that, if I can get the thing to focus, the seams in the hair, while there, aren't glaring because they fit in with the feathered hair. And of course, you've got the Shoretrooper helmet, which I have not put the neck piece in because he's going to be holding that one. And then the traditional Stormtrooper helmet, which I have put the neck piece in because, well, you know, this one's going to get to be a regular Stormtrooper. Should be fairly quick here. You know, that's the 3 heads, and then we'll seriously get into body construction. Alright, as you can see, the upper torsos are done. Admittedly, these Stormtroopers kind of basic, but, you know, that's a basic Stormtrooper. Now, in the case of the Solo Shoretrooper, I admit I'm running an experiment here. Those are actually the kit supplied stickers rather than the water slide decals, just to see how the end result's going to look. So far, so good. And things are all progressing nicely. As you can see, we've reached the stage now where both of our figures have both of their legs. At this point, the arms are left, and then it's weapons and details. These guys go together really quick. Alright. Got the arms finished. Didn't bother shooting a video showing the arms laying next to the figures, because I figured I'd go ahead and press on to the final stage and or, you know, finishing these 2 guys. Who are right here. On your left, we have the standard Stormtrooper, in this case armed with the very serious rifle, and the traditional Stormtrooper sidearm is down there in the holster. The gray details were picked out with both paint and a Gundam marker, rather than trying to use the kit supplied decals or stickers. And over here on the right, we have the alternative Captain Solo, in this case as an Imperial Shoretrooper. I went ahead and hit the armor with a black wash, wiping off the excess to bring out the detail. I didn't do that with the Stormtrooper because those guys look better just pure stark white. I was pleasantly surprised with how well the stickers actually went down, especially over the complex areas on his arms. I'd already shown you how it turned out on his chest. I'm still very impressed with the likeness the head has of the young Harrison Ford. In this case, he is carrying the traditional rifle for the Shoretrooper. I also have the small pistol, the traditional Stormtrooper gun, and the extra hands for both of these guys, as well as the neck piece if I ever decide to take the Harrison Ford head off and put the Shoretrooper head in place. As you can see underneath, it's still got all the necessary fittings. It's just held like that. It looks like he's holding his helmet. Well, I'm going to stop babbling. I'm going to thank Bandai for engineering a couple of wonderful kits, stick some stills at the end, and thank you all for watching.